Question says that the diagram shows the curve y equals x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus k, where k is a constant. The curve has a minimum point on the x-axis, so right here, and we have to find the value of k. So on the minimum point, we know that dy by dx equals 0. Let's derivate 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 equals 0. I'm going to divide both sides with 3 for simplification. X squared minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Middle term breaking, x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals 0. X common, x minus 3 plus 1 common, x minus 3 equals 0. X plus 1, x minus 3 equals 0, which gives us x equals 3 and x equals negative 1. So the value of x here is 3. And what is this other value of x? This will be the coordinate of x at the maximum point, because at the maximum point, dy by dx is also 0. So this is minus 1, and that's 3. Okay. Now, how do we find k? So we have the value of x, which is 3 here, and we also know the value of y here, it's 0. So this is 3, 0. Let's substitute 3, 0 in the equation of the curve and get k. So 0 equals 3 cubed minus 3 times 3 squared minus 9 times 3 plus k. This gives k equals 27 after simplification. So we have the value of k. Now we're going to replace this k with 27 in the question. Okay. Find the coordinates of the maximum point of the curve. So we already know the x coordinate, it's minus 1. We can find the y coordinate by substituting minus 1 in this equation and also replacing k with 27. So for part 2, just a second. Okay. Part 2 is we need to find the value of y. We know x is minus 1 cubed minus 3 times minus 1 squared minus 9 times minus 1 plus 27. This gives y equals 32. So the coordinates of the maximum point are negative 1, 32. State the set of values of x for which this is a decreasing function. We know this region is where the function is decreasing. So the value of x in this region is between negative 1 to 3. So that's the answer for part 3, because the derivative is 0 here. If you draw tiny tangents, they all have negative gradients. Okay, find the area of the shaded region. So now we integrate finally. Okay. So part 4 is integrate the curve between the limits 0 to 3. The curve is x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 27 dx. Integrate x power 4 upon 3, x power 4 upon 4 minus 3x cubed upon 3 minus 9x squared upon 2 plus 27x. And now we substitute 3 and 0. Let's substitute 3 here. We get 3 power 4 upon 4 minus 3 power 3 cubed upon 3 minus 9 power 3 squared upon 2 plus 27 by 3, 27 times 3. Find this and then substitute 0. But when we substitute 0, everything becomes 0. So whatever is the answer for the first bracket is our final answer. This would be 33.75, which is the area of the shaded region.